Hey everybody, Pat Pollitt here from Dynamic Diamond Tooling. Today I want to show you our patented vac mop. We've designed this to fit on numerous different vacuums. The ones I'm going to show you here today are our DDV 36 and our DDV 26. The vac mop is a dual-headed vacuum attachment that allows it to be installed on a vacuum so you can push the entire vacuum. The unique features to it are, as you notice, two independent heads. Each head will independently move, so it'll follow the contours of the floor, plus the entire assembly will ride up and down, also making sure that those heads stay in contact with the floor so you get the maximum suction. To install this on the vacuum, we're going to place our foot back here, push down, making sure that the frame has been folded down. Next, we're simply going to lift it, pushing down. That's how fast it installs onto the vacuum. We're now going to take our vacuum hose, set our vacuum hose in, dropping our vac mop down into the use position, install the hose on there, and we're ready to go to work. As you can see, now what we have to do is simply push it down the floor. When I want to move it from one area to another without picking up, all I do is lift up on the foot pedal there, and now the heads are off the floor so you can walk across the warehouse without dragging your squeegees. It easily installs on, this is the DDV 26, just as easily on the DDV 36. If anybody has any interest or wants some more information about it, please give us a call here at Dynamic Diamond Tooling. Thank you so much.